What's up, guys?
It's Kinzie Parker. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing... She's acting like she's nice. Today we will be doing...
Fear pong.
Oh,
I'm
look
gonna
at me.
do it with the suit.
Oh.
I
Oh.
want to put that on.
Yep. That's
Oh.
the one? Is that the one? Oh. Oh. Stop!
Okay.
Today our contest...
Did you see that midget run by?
You already know what's up.
Today our contestants are gonna be
Hang on, I'm putting my boot on.
those people.
Oh.
And also... This people. Are you guys ready or no?
No.
Yes.
Oh,
you're right.
That's the security. Run! We don't have a ping pong because we're garbage. We are ghetto and we made this.
Those work perfectly fine for a lot of different things.
You only have 10% on your phone, plug it in.
I don't need to. I don't get notifications. Are you talking about me?
Yeah.
Let me redo that.
Oh yeah, my phone's I'm so popular. I have to.
Dude.
I'm on Braelynn's team.
Okay, I'm on Kinzie's team then.
You?
Reverse.
She said she didn't want to be on my... She said
Okay, so we have decided who's on whose team. I am on Braelynn's team and they are on each other's team, which works because they're both annoying the crap out of me. Oh, just kidding. Now what you can do is you can drink this cup, take it out, drink it, or you can answer this truth out loud.
it's just water.
What is the hottest teacher at your school?
I says what? Hey, both of you have to answer the question or that cup has to be taken out.
Mine is Turpin.
Okay, thank you.
Oh. Wait, so we don't get any punishment for that?
No, we just...
Your punishment was the shame you just brought yourself.
Guys, what's the worst thing you've ever done? You can answer that, or you can take your cup out.
Which cup was it?
The very front one.
So I'm answering it now, or we're...
No, you don't have to answer it because she took the cup out.
Oh, because good. I was going to be writing all of you out.
What? How would you rat all of us out? It's the worst thing you've done.
Yeah, and I was with you.
What did we do?
Whenever...
Okay, when we went to Cane's for your birthday party.
You've ever done is go to Cane's at 2 in the morning? That's not even what I was going to say! I was going to say whenever we went out of state.
Is your problem? Are you a giraffe? Why are you...
That's like when they chewed on glass in that one Sam and Colby video and they got the lean in the pool.
That was Jake, but yeah. Just go. There you go.
Okay.
Go.
I hope you freaking miss. I hope you freaking choke on snow. Oh, I need to, you go.
No one talked to me.
Jaycie, Katelyn, shut up. I don't know.
Hello?
Look in between the crevice mountain.
Hello? Hello?
Guys.
Why would you say something stupid?
Why would you literally just let us look for that?
Caitlin, if you don't...
And I'm
that was
almost
the case.
14. You can ride a race.
You got this. You got this.
And you can make an air ball in every state now.
Oh my god! Okay, we're using it. Have you ever had a crush on one of your BF's best friend's boyfriend?
If we all went through phase.
You're right.
Oh my god,
that's big fat. I mean, I liked before you liked, but that was like 5 seconds, and then I was like, ooh, T. But you already knew about that.
T. Okay. Thanks.
You're the chosen one. Go!
I'm going with my focus.
Good job. Yes! If you die tomorrow, what would you do? I said I wouldn't go off on people, but I probably would, but not like mean. I would just say some things.
Mean.
Okay, I'm a teenage boy. I would just say some things that I wanted to say, and then I would spend time with my dad.
I would probably gonna die tomorrow and I knew it, I would probably go do something really crazy, wild, insane. I'm not really sure what, but it would be something really crazy. Exploring, no clickbait. That's all.
Seen the movie Space
Yes!
On.
Yes! I literally did that without looking!
Who is the most annoying person you know?
I believe in you. No, don't touch me with your hands. I believe in you.
Stop!
I believe in you. Okay, never mind. Bye. You will understand. I said that in code.
That's the same cup.
Oh, so it just gets taken out. Go!
Meters are my motivator.
Go. Yes! You already know what's up. It's okay. I'm just like baller at this game. Show the most recent pick in your camera roll.
Not good. Jaycie, I believe in you. You can do this. Hey guys, so
I turned off the camera again because it was getting boring because we all suck at this game. So,
But then I made it. What's the most flirtatious thing you've ever done?
we would
Stop
get this
the
question. Okay.
Pick it up, boy!
I'm going to kill myself. Chase your turn.
Oh!
Have you ever hit someone's car and didn't tell them?
So yes, I hit my dad's car a couple days ago and I drove off and there was no damage, so he doesn't ever have to know. It's fine.
One time I was trying to parallel park and I accidentally backed into the front of my sister's car, but there was no damage.
Sorry, Kylie.
It was actually my car.
Yeah.
It was my princess car.
Thanks for coming. Hi, so do you guys want to hear something? I hate every second of this. So we're going to stop recording the actual pong and just do the fear.
Tell us the last time you embarrassed yourself in front of your crush.
And I don't really embarrass myself because I don't really get embarrassed because I just laugh at myself.
I can't really remember, honestly.
Yeah, I can't remember.
When I was a fetus, I had a crush on Mr. Brother. I was in the gym and I was trying to be cool and play with a basketball. I dropped the basketball, obviously, because I'm not a baller. And I tried to grab it and my foot went back and stepped on my skirt because it was really long. And I stood up and it went almost all the way down. Like,
Come closer.
okay.
Name one thing you would change about each person in the room.
I would change Katelyn's laugh.
Okay, Jaycie. Jaycie, I love you, but I wish your hands would change.
One thing I would change about Jaycie.
I don't like this.
Mine would be.
But I would change your hands too. They're kind of like octopuses.
I would change how much time.
Moving on to the next question. No, I'm just kidding. What would we change about Braelynn? I would change your insecurities because it's annoying sometimes because you're actually really pretty and really funny and you're always insecure about it.
If somebody doesn't say my eyesight. And
Your
then worry
eyesight.
about it
I hope that you would
tonight-
see.
Thank you. Guys, she
it's-
offered me some of her vision.
I did.
You're not taking any of mine.
I didn't ask for any of yours.
Braelynn, the only thing I would change about you is
I'm
that...
hurt. I'm already hurt. How am I mean to you?
Well, I know it's a joke,
Sometimes.
but like...
I would change this voice on Katelyn.
Yeah, I would change all your
So would I.
phases. Like all the phases you go through. Like the voice and then like the upset. Like I don't know.
We're not even doing it yet!
Braelynn.
I'm sorry, I'm not perfect. The Lord made me how I'm supposed to be. Sorry you don't like it.
We love it, Katelyn. There's
Okay.
love you.
There's just some things we would tweak.
Okay, Braelynn, you're annoying to me, and you make me really mad whenever you judge me, and it makes me really cry in my bed at night, and that's also a reason why I cry in my room.
Is that the whimpering I hear when I go in Kinsey's room sometimes?
No.
Okay, Kinzie. One thing I would change about you is how if I make physical contact with you, you immediately dig your nails into any part of my body that you can reach, and then
I
you
only
harass
like
me.
it when
Stop!
certain people
And then-
touch me.
Okay, and make me one of those certain people because it really offends me and it makes me sad. Kinzie, you're so pretty. I'm sorry. Keep going.
The whole marriage thing, that would just probably be it.
The thing she hates about you is that you're so perfect she can't even think of something she hates about you. The end.
Thank you.
I don't know. You're just very good at getting close to people, so sometimes you get close with guys, and then it's like, oh.
You have this thing that's like you...
Your presence is overpowering.
You make people laugh.
Kinzie, you have positive energy.
Yeah,
Can you change your hairstyle right now so you don't look emo
think
while we're
you look
telling
good,
you how
actually.
happy and
Yeah, I
positive
think she
you
looks
are?
cute.
What do you look for in a guy? Hate me.
A nice smile.
What did I say?
And good personality.
Okay,
I
we're
said
moving
Humor.
eyes and confidence.
the same humor as me. Not really like exactly, because I want to be able to incorporate their humor into mine, if that makes sense, so we can learn from each other. And I like the confidence thing too. I think it's so important for a guy to be confident. I love brown eyes, but I also love blue eyes, and I want dark hair.
A sense of humor.
When was the last time you got your heart broken or you broke someone's heart? The last time I
Yikes.
got my heart broken was January, February, March, April,
November.
Last time I got my heart broken was July 2017.
I'm just gonna say the last time I broke someone's heart was Anthony Blackburn.
Okay, my phone died, so we had to switch to Jaycie's phone, but that was all the questions anyways. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow them on Instagram. I'll put it in the description below. Come back, make sure you turn on the post notifications so you get notifications every single time that I post. Love you guys. Thanks for coming.
Like and subscribe.
See you guys next time. All right, thanks guys. Love you. Goodbye.